Just want to kind of give you a rundown of my garden now that summer is upon us in Phoenix, Arizona. It feels like spring, but it's been in and above the 90s. So I've harvested a lot. I still have lettuce. I still have onions, potatoes, and this is what I took out of my potato sack this morning. Because it's such a small sack with so many roots in it, I've had to clean out the tops because it's just in this potato bag and they keep squirting out tomatoes in the top, so I just keep them. I'll replant them, and that's my walking onions, still doing great. I put in some squash and some cucumbers, and then I also put out some flowers. Now that it's spring, I'm putting out the flowers. I still have my tomatoes. Yay. And my hummers are doing great. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Don't forget to grow all the wonderful things that you eat. Spring is here.